So, anyways, you got an old refrigerator or freezer, and it's constantly running. And you tried putting lemon wax on the seal here, and you tried, what you could for stretching it out so it can hit the door, and it really doesn't hit the door or seal. So, basically, what happened to this one was it was in a moving pod. Something leaned up against it, and it crushed the seal right there. And I took the seal off the door, and I cleaned it, and I stretched it out as much as I could. And I put it on, and actually the seal is on upside down because I thought maybe if I put it on upside down it would seal up against here better, and it didn't. That area ended up to be right here. Okay, and you can see it's sealed now, and this is because which is new to me. I had the idea, but I just didn't act on it sooner. But what I did was I got a heat gun and put it on medium setting. Open the door. You want to get it warm. You want to relax that. You want to relax that rubber. Don't stay in one spot too much. Now there's a magnetic strip in there, and it's going to heat that magnetic strip up, and it's going to relax it. So I'm trying to do this one-handed here. Trying to pull it out. It may take one or two tries. Just be patient with it. It's getting warm. Of course, it's a windy day, right? Why wouldn't it be? It's getting pretty hot. All right. See how that seal wanted to pull up against the outside, the housing there? Just let it cool naturally. And there you go. Now I still have to do it to the top there, but yeah, I'm gonna go around the whole door and do the same thing. So hope that helps someone, and stop your freezer or refrigerator from running all the time. Oh, and if it drips, then this seal is not sealed. So if usually these have a catch can underneath. All right. See, that just collects all the moisture, goes into the catch, and just evaporates over time. It's strapped to this condenser here, so when the motor kicks on, the kicks it around, shakes it up, makes it evaporate faster. So, and the heat, that does get warm. Of course, the warm water will evaporate faster. So that's what I got for you. Hopefully that helps someone out. I guess there's another spot right there I got to do. But anyways, I'm gonna finish this, put some lemon wax on it, and call it a day. There you go. All done.